Welcome to the latest drone news from Jeff Sibelius and landandairphotos.com. On January 23rd, DJI announced the impending release of their new Mavic Air. The Mavic Air starts with the small body size of the Spark, brings in the folding arms of the Mavic, and tops it off with a camera that records 4K video at 100 megabits per second, just like the Phantom 4 Pro. It has forward, rear, and downward sensors to give it an improved collision avoidance system that finds its way around obstacles rather than just stopping for them. The Mavic Air looks like a pretty cool little drone, especially when it sells for only $7.99. It lacks a few things you get with the Mavic Pro. It has fewer intelligent flight modes, and its battery life is estimated at 21 minutes rather than 30. It doesn't use OcuSync, so it has a shorter range than the Mavic Pro, although it's still rated up to 10 kilometers. It's kind of hard to complain about that. The Mavic Air is definitely a step up from the Spark. It has some improvements over the Mavic Pro and some features where it comes up a little short. And it costs $300 less than the Mavic Pro, so that's entirely reasonable. You gotta love that improved camera, and it's available in black, white, and red. I love that. Normally I publish a drone news episode as soon as a drone is announced, because it's normally a few months before the new drone actually reaches the public. In this case, DJI announced the Mavic Air only a couple weeks before it was scheduled to ship. So I decided to hold off on my video until the Air had been tested by some end users. Generally speaking, it's smart to let other drone pilots buy the first of any new drone off the assembly line, because drone companies tend to use their first customers as beta testers to identify and work out the inevitable bugs and firmware problems. Now that the Mavic Air has reached some consumers, it's become apparent that the redesigned body does not provide sufficient heat for all the internal components, and as a result the Air sometimes exhibits a significant shudder when flown in cold weather. Realistically, this isn't the kind of thing you'd expect to be resolved with a firmware update, so it may well be an idiosyncrasy of the Mavic Air that you just have to accept if you buy one. People are already finding workarounds for this issue, so it's probably not a deal killer for most, especially your typical hobbyist who would be the target market for this drone in the first place. And with its improved camera and excellent initial reports of handling higher winds extremely well, the Mavic Air could be a great choice for your next drone. Looking for something with a little more power? Rumors are running rampant of the Mavic Pro II, which may be announced by DJI as early as March. It's all in the rumor stage, but they can be traced back to sources who have been pretty accurate in leaking details on previous DJI products. The rumors have it that the Mavic Pro II will have a 1-inch sensor, which would be a big step up from anything else from DJI other than the Phantom 4 Pro or Inspire. It's expected to have the same basic body style as the Mavic Pro, but it may have a longer battery life. It's an interesting time to be buying a drone, isn't it? If video quality is your priority, you might hold out for the Mavic 2, although it could be a while. The Mavic Air has better video than the Mavic Pro, and all of them are better than the Spark. But the Spark and the Mavic Pro have got their bugs all worked out, and we can't say that about the Mavic Air or the Mavic Pro II. And then there's rumors of the Phantom 5 later this year, and the Autel Evo, and the Yuneec Typhoon H Pro. It's going to be a fun year, and it's hard to know what you should pick. So if you want a Mavic Air, here's what you need to do. Send an email to peter@acesdeals.biz and tell him to put your name on the acesdeals.biz list. Tell Peter you heard about the offer on this video, and be sure to include the discount code JSLAP. When he knows he can deliver the Mavic Air, he'll contact you and give you first dibs at his shipment of Mavic Airs and give you a discount on the purchase price before he puts any up for sale on his website. Of course, if you want the Spark, Mavic Pro, Mavic Pro Platinum, Phantom 4 Pro, you can order those right now from acesdeals.biz. Use the discount code JSLAP to get a discount on your order and support this channel. The link is in the description below. That's it for this episode of Drone News. Thank you for watching this video. I set up a Facebook group to make it easier for us to talk and arrange opportunities to fly together. Follow the link in the description below to sign up for the group. On screen you'll find links to more videos on how to fly drones, so please check them out. Before you go, be sure to hit the like button. Also, subscribe to this channel so you know when more videos are released. Thanks for watching.